CS bali bali ngororo aba CS bandi ba 11 bali bali ngo aburukaneti akamanya ko burukania abandi abayya amende tororo gutira mpaka bono egento gekabanga ojiro comment aba bandi so far kero kurigiria serikali ya Roseti in terms of performance neriende. Where do we stand at?
Ngaki ero manyana na willing otiga banda abakolegas, you know, the other government, he was the minister in our ministry Chionsipi. Chionsipi ne rolenge minister. Ne ore rita mata arago minister, ne kere into ya sarikiri ministry na yago wolinga kinki ki ya sarikete. Lakini game to be and to be an ero betigole. Aya, na nyare, na buate li ancora io go tikero monta kole egas. Was about that I woke as Hatisa, Yamambi, Harare Saste.
A micromanage. Omonto okero na kuri interview ya lero ya ko John Mbadi oyo konyo ore chairman ya ODM na boigo munyekero ko kwende committee ya PSC abantu no nemitanda okero kwa guli anto bagatabana ki John Mbadi showed a bit of brilliancy, eloquence and kumanye binto lakini bamanya kuburi equation yale ngo enene. Would the president leave him work in a question?
Lakini abo linga ki minister chite chito na banga chi minister na chi ali baga chikole gas na be uno uru ru ikanse gete we even for 1 week atali acha na kanya madinga chi minister nji atigara ngi chi kokora that is it.
So kolengana no yaro kanire bono even after ba Kenya go say Gen Z's kuruana kigima na kubuli umugaba na one or two things ani yomo muraivense yarore kanirenga the problem is the president akero kurigeria critically ekira karako iro no neriba galia kabere gokoraki ko onye kwa bege di mistake go kwa bwate tunabantu bali senge joba kwa kirije kura na nini karako iro riba galia kabere no bonerete okore bintu even more better ko bwe lakini usikurigeria o make the same mistakes ya amegeti na riri tangani so ige korokananga
lakini ase na kona jaka ase kusita megeti because na tegerete interview ya
Migosio Gamba
interview ya former ya Machogu na interview ya Migosio nyoko kuana na kuko kwa lemiremo because came out stronger and then waziri Machogu yo kusia senche kusia karondi gerereti na akora change as much as I wonder iki Machogu akora takarushwa GNZ akora takarushwa bosendo ko perform atar ko perform kare ko twal ko lili interview ka ko rate ministers na ba ko perform Machogu no alenga ali top 3 umuntu luko sie ko musisi na rozo ko sie ko senchiri chiri akoro no ali igo bono inki what was the change for? Was the change for broad based government? Was the change for performance? Oyo bono ebyo ko bolinga muna bana kwa mboli diswali eli yabana ki ngabanta ababono bacha ba perform ababaru setu kuna batara ko perform
according to ekiagera after Gen Z's ba complaining serikali wasn't doing well nera gatakatebanga we are forming a government ejigo cha kondetra machibu nga gerale go babutate wete namba yo koragasi bia. That's what he said.
Aba barabwa kwenda ni roje mba kuya bara kwara ko bwabali abute
tingo te bigera bono mbono bago so obisi osembara obalenga
aba irani aba 11
according to ase bali ba kwali
to chagara kuni Anthony General.
Okay, I can't tell exactly egera Attorney General Montaso etie no mungao orionde amo irete wizara
onyere ndata ko performance an Anthony General wizara nera